Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. On it you should see the list of devices and here you should see your Honor Watch 4. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and find the option called Remove Current Device and tap on it and tap on OK to confirm. The watch will disappear from the list of devices, from the device page. We can close the app. We can also check the Bluetooth settings on our phone and see if we have the Honor Watch here on the list. It's not here, which that's good, because if it was, we would need to tap on it and tap on Unpair to unpair it. But actually we don't need to do it with this watch. So we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.